Start na.
Identify yourself.
Annette Birkin.
Annette.
Not much time. Need to dispose of it. We're here for the G virus.
G-Verse.
Not gonna happen.
That's not gonna happen.
Oh yeah?
Hey!
Stop!
May baril pala siya.
You'll never get the G virus!
Never get the G-Virus.
Didn't expect that from a scientist. Leon.
Forget about me. Just go. Stop her before she gets away.
Stop her before she gets away.
I'm right outside the facility in pursuit of Annette.
Sino yung Wesker?
On her must be a nest.
Sunog yung bangkay, putya.
Once it's in hand, I'll call for extraction.
Pag nakuha na niya yung
You
G-Virus.
can run, Annette, but you can't hide.
Can run but you can hide daw.
It's secret weapon time.
Itong pang-hack natin ng mga electric pan. Ay, taas pa pala. Candy from a baby. Ito pala yung tunnel na puro ipis. Ito mga wire, kitang-kita mga wire. Saan dumadaan? Saan daing ipis? Trace mo yan, ganyan, no? May dilaw. 3 na dilaw, okay na yan. Tapos ganyan. Bang! Ito yung niya. Tetris mo yan galing sa pinto. Red siya, no? Tetris mo yan. Dumaan. Dito siya. Pero dito. Pero din pala dito. Pwede rin dito. Pareho lang. Ay, red pa rin yun. Wala dito. Red, dapat maging green siya. Yan. Green pa green na. Okay na. Diyan, huwag mo napansinin niya mo. Ito, ID lang yan. Wristband. Diyan na sir. Dito ko lang sa gilid lang. Gilid ka lang dumaan. Ito po dyan. Diyan ngayon na. Tago pa kasi mo. Pulutong na yan. Ito yung red container. Saan ba yung stair dito na sinasado? Stair daw. Saan yung stair? Makita yung stair. Nine lang pala.
Got it.
Siya. Saan siya pumasok dito sa taas? Gitna ng hallway, tanda mo.
Always been good at running. Give me that. Persistent bastard, aren't you?
Pucha, ba't lumigot? Pucha, nasan sila? Pucha. Pucha, nawala yung hack. Iba ng hack na dito. Pucha, nawala na ito. Bilis, bilis. Pucha, pangit tayo. Shit. Hack naman. Pucha, nagising na, patay. Siya walang health. Ito. Sa loob pala ng pinto. Wristband ID.
ID wristband required for entry.
Bravo. Gonna burn me alive now. You'll never get your filthy hands on the G. I'm not the only one that... Forget. You realize that. And you won't die alone. Bitch knows what she's doing.
Kung to sa bike ka. Kung sa bike ka.
Visitor clearance confirmed. Your ID is authorized until October 3rd. Please return before this date.
Not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen. Wala pa siyang isang health. Isang health. Wala pala, tapos na to eh. Tapos na to eh.
This cat and mouse game.
Not this cat.
You lost.
No.
Tell me, Is your husband still alive?
Is your husband still
Or did
alive?
you kill him so you could take credit for cheating?
Two. Interesting theory.
You don't cooperate. I'll get a sample from the nest. Over my dead body.
Nahulog ba yung bakal na o hindi siya nakakapit?
Where's Leon?
Bruce Lee yung
Ada?
Work hard, play hard. Yan ang motto ko lang. Nakakapagod yung pala katagalan sa gitna ng lahat ng tiyan, ilong at pagkain at masasarap. Kasama na ang oily and fatty foods. Kailangan pa rin pantayan ang kalusugan. Tamang kontrol ang kailangan. Katuwang
Ada? Where are you?
supplement ng best with proper diet and exercise. Cheers to more good times. Salamat sa Libre. Mabibili ang Libre sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Para ng pala na Libre. Ito mo nang hindi naman kami magkakot sa alam ang uwi ng